Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save deals on Groupon. If you want to save a Groupon deal so that you can easily find it later when you want to purchase it, you can follow this quick simple step. Simply open your Groupon application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into the main homepage, go ahead and browse through the service you'd like to buy. Once you find the service of your choice, go ahead and tap on the little heart icon at the top right-hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add the service to your saved deals. You can now visit your saved deals by tapping on the saved heart icon at the bottom right-hand corner, and you should be able to see all of the deals that you recently saved for future use. So that was how you can easily save your deals on Groupon. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.